Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video I'm going to talk all about the Exitus Elite products. This is going to be my Exitus Elite product review, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about the products and what you get when you come into Exitus Elite. So we're going to get started. We're going to start here with the G100. The perfect place to start. Our entry level package contains 8 courses to help get your marketing off the ground, off to a perfect start. From building your list to going live on Facebook, you will discover the very basics of setting up and running a successful business. So we have here big ticket machine. We got the 10K blueprint. We got social media apps for marketing. We got Facebook group Unleashed, so if you want to start your own Facebook group. We have Instagram ad success. We have big business blueprint. We have email list secrets and cryptocurrency secrets as well. So just to let you know, I'm going to have this link in the description below so you can take a deeper look at all these products, because there's for the sake of time, I just wanted to just go over what you're getting, but you can read all these texts so you can see what they all mean. The whys. Have you ever wanted to step away from the 9 to 5 grind of your day job? Do you dream about working from home, or even on a beach somewhere? The Genesis library makes this possible. Within no time, you can go from a complete beginner to a financially successful entrepreneur. So G250 with 10 different courses and a wealth of information. Genesis 250 is a very powerful product package. By implementing the information contained in these courses, you will develop some great skills and have the knowledge needed to take your income to the next level. So, the first product here, you got your list building profit kit, evergreen leads, modern email marketing, the power of execution. Goals are meaningless without action. That's what I always say in all my videos. By taking action daily. Webinar jackpot step-by-step course with 9 lessons, running evergreen webinars for big ticket sales and profit. Social media income. The warrior mindset. If you are constantly waking up tired and stressed and you feel like life is very hard, this guide will change your mindset and apply it to modern life. Now, I'm always talking about having a positive mindset and training your mindset to succeed. And like I've always said, my mindset is trained to believe that it's only a matter of time before I am going to start finding success. And the reason why that is because I am applying action every day. I'm never giving up. And if you apply action every day of your life for the thing that you want to go after, then at some point, success is going to happen. But you have to keep working at it and you can never quit. So the next one is $1 million copy. How to crank up your own highly profitable copywriting business. Overcoming excuses. How to stop procrastinating and get more done while you're staying happy. Internet business model. And then that concludes the G250. Now we're going into the G500. The third product package is the beginning of our advanced levels. The information and skills taught in the G500 package are worth thousands of dollars. Implement these teachings in your life and see what happens. So you got true cause of all achievement. The true cause of all achievement. How to use the conquering force within you to achieve your goals and dreams. And that's volume 1. You also got volume 2. And from what I've heard is that this guy, to get into one of his webinars, it costs like $1,000 or something like that. And you're getting all his teachings in this course right here. The power of core desire. In this video, Jack Zufalt shares the blueprint of true cause for success in any area in life. Whatever you desire, it's easier than you think. That's what I always say. Affiliate marketing really isn't hard. It's just, it does take some work, but the more you do it, the better you get at it, and the easier it becomes. And in this course, he teaches how to cause for success in any area of your life. Whatever you desire, it's easier than you think. And I've said in the past, too, that we are all far more capable of doing more than we think we can. So the next one is smart wealth building. Discover how to create wealth through the concepts of joint ventures, how to partner up and get into bigger profit. The conquering force within you. And then you got the how to make 10K plus in MLM. The power of the subconscious mind. Most people are living for far below their potential. They know they are capable of so much more, like what I was just saying. The key is to use the hidden power of your subconscious mind and take control of your life. And then you got Bitcoin profit secrets. Free building tools. This course teaches you how to use free online tools and software to build your very own niche website that brings in leads and sales for your business. How to use webinars for your business. Wealth creation blueprint. Push button podcasting. And then the power of focus. And then now we have the G1000, which is our Legends Millionaire Mentors. Now, in these interviews, they're like it says right here, the Incredible series interviews 20 of the top marketers on the internet today. Listen and learn their secrets to success. Over 20 hours of inspirational learning. Then you got The Village here. This is an audio series behind many of the highest money earning producers in the business world today. The behind the scenes catalyst for the creation of the movie The Secret, once referred to as a modern day's Aladdin's lamp. This is the course that cuts through it all. So you also have here, you got Breaking Bad Habits, Artificial Intelligence, and Digital Marketing. Discover how artificial intelligence and machine learning have the potential to completely change the face of internet marketing, rendering many older strategies obsolete. Then you got another Bitcoin breakthrough, the power of social media stories, and then you got Udemy for reoccurring income. And then you got some on-demand stuff here as well. And then you also have the G2000, which was their newest products. And our premium package is the G2000. We are featuring further 32 video on demands, and this is all the stuff that you get in that. right here. So that's all the products that you get in Exitus Elite. And I wanted to show you some other things here, right here. We also have additional products, training courses here at the G1000. These are all streaming things. We have latest Facebook marketing made easy, WhatsApp marketing made easy, TikTok marketing made easy. And then at the G250, why Instagram ads, Snapchat marketing made easy, LinkedIn marketing 2018 made easy. Then you got the G500, Google AdSense made easy, email marketing 3.0 made easy, and YouTube business made easy. And then we have the G1000, which is lead generation, social media marketing, Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn marketing, Facebook chatbot marketing, marketing automation, paid traffic marketing, and the latest Instagram marketing made easy. So that's what you get in Exitus Elite. If you do end up joining my team, you're going to get this right here. This is our three generation bonus training. This was created by my sponsor, and you get all these videos here. Some of them are already live. You can see these links right here are live. And then you got this link down here. Any questions and answers about Exitus Elite, everything you want to know about Exitus Elite is all right here. Generation 2, you got Craigslist training right here. Then you got Instagram training here as well. And then Generation 3, you get you can get a duplicate page of the payment page that I use. You have to belong to Power Lead System to get these pages right here. But if you have Power Lead System, then you can use these share codes here. And then you got Sean's Mega Swipe file page. And what this is this gives you free places online where you can create ads for your Exitus Elite business. So you can use all these classified ad sites here. And we also provide the headlines, all these headlines here. And then we also have the ad bodies that you put in the ad. So you can actually copy and paste these into any of those sites up above. We have Craigslist scripts here. So if you want to do some Craigslist marketing, you can use these here. And then we got successful Facebook scripts right here as well. So we're providing you with all the training you'll ever need to find success in Exitus Elite and any other business out there. That's what Exitus Elite is all about. And I am really excited for you guys because some of you that are listening to this video now could be a member of my team soon. And I want you guys to succeed more than anything. I really do. And whatever I can do to help you get there. And another reason why I like that we are giving this this training here is because you can give this out to your team as well to give them some incentive to keep going in Exitus Elite, to join Exitus Elite. So definitely share this with your team once they purchase this product. And it doesn't matter what product they come in at. you give them this training. So to continue a little bit more, my sponsor has created his own ads. These are examples of how he's actually made his own ad art. So these are just examples that he uses here. These are examples of his YouTube scripts and his YouTube some thumbnails and all that stuff. And these right here, you can actually use these in your marketing if you want to. These are all, you can use all these right here. I actually used this one in my last YouTube thumbnail. So definitely check these out. So that's pretty much it, guys. You're going to get this 3 generations bonus training, including all these extra videos I didn't show you yet, but these are all some of his best training videos. So you guys are going to get all the support you'll ever need to make really good income in Exitus Elite. I came in at the G1000 level, and I came into the G1000 level for very good reason. For one, I wanted to make the $1,000 commissions. And because I came in at the G1000 here, I get this, and this at no extra cost. And if I ever want to upgrade to the G2000, which I definitely will at some point, I only have to pay the difference for what I already purchased in the G1000. So I'm not even going to have to pay the full price of this product. So that's what I like about Exitus Elite. It's the owner, Paul Stevenson. He's all about his own company. He's also about the members. He puts the members first, and he's always adding new things to this soon-to-be 8-year-old business. This business is still being updated to this day. So if you do like this video, definitely make sure you like the video. And if you want to ask me anything, definitely comment below. And also all my contact information and the link to join Exitus Elite is all in the description below this video. And also below this video is the subscribe button. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.